Good morning, students. Today we are learning exercise 1.2 in 6th class. Okay. So round the nearest tens. Suppose see in this sum it is 89. 89 అని ఉంది ఇక్కడ. అయితే నియరెస్ట్ టు 10th వాల్యూస్ అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ 81 అనుకో. ఇట్ ఈస్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ 85. అవే ఫ్రమ్ 89, 90. అంటే చూడు వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇయర్, దగ్గరికి ఏది దగ్గరికి ఉందో ఆ నియరెస్ట్ వాల్యూ మనం తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. దట్ ఈస్ 89 నియరెస్ట్ టు వేర్ 90. సో వీ విల్ రైట్ నియరెస్ట్ టు 90. ఓకే. నో ఇయర్ సి 10th, second 415. In this one 410 and then 415 and then 420. So ఇక్కడ చూడు, for our convenient we take here as a 420 nearest to. Okay. Now next see here 3951. 3951. So it is 3950, 3955, 3960. ఇక్కడ నియరెస్ట్ దేనికి ఉంది, ఇది 51 అని ఉంది కాబట్టి we will take as a 3950. Okay. Now last it is 4409 is there. So 4409, when we are dealing it, 4400, 4405, 4410. ఈ 9 అనేది 10కి దగ్గర ఉంది. సో నియరెస్ట్ టు 10. సో we will write as 4410. These are all nearest to 10. Now next question, nearest to 100. See here 49695 is there. 600 minimum పెట్టుకున్నాం అనుకో, 650, 700. See, this is nearer to here. So we will write as a 700. Now here see 36152. So 36100 ఒకటి, 36150, 36200. See, this value is nearer to here. So we will write as 36150. Next question, 13648 is there. 13640, no. See, 13648 is there. 13600, 13650, 13700. See, this is according to the hundreds value. So it is less than 50. So it will come here. It is 13600. Now last sum 93618 is there. So 93600, 93650, 93700. This value is nearer to here. So we will write as 93600. Understood? Now see the next question. This is nearest to 1000 we have to take. అంటే 1000 దగ్గర 3415 is less than 1000 na 4000. అంటే సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ 3500 ఉందనుకో, we will go for the 4000. But it is బిలో 500. సో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే 3,4,000. సో we will write as a 3,000. Now see this one, 70124. Okay, this sum also 1000 values you have to take, that is 70. So this is also less than 500, so we will round up to, okay. No, this is also 8765 is there. This is also, it is 500 కన్నా above ఉంది ఇది. So we will take as a 9,000 here. Okay, no, ఇది చూడు చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి we will take as a 4,000. Understood? Now see the fourth question. Short form we have to write. He gave 3,000 plus 400 plus 7. That is 3,407. Now see, 10,000, 2,350 plus 1 is there. Short form. 10,000, 2,351. That is 12,351 is the answer for this sum. Now next sum, 30,525. That is, we can write as a units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, now here see, 90,000, 99, 999. Okay. Now see next one, you have to expand it. Expand means 4,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. Here also. Plus zeros are there. We can keep zeros or we don't keep zeros. 200 plus 10 plus 4. Now here 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2. Here 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 20 plus 5. Okay.